Alright, so the latest update just came in. So before we go to that, I want to look at the satellite imagery real quickly. Over the last 3 hours, it's really started to get its act together. The center of location's right about here. As you can see, it's starting to fill in. It's really getting its act together. It's more convection is developing. Here's the latest cone right here. So we'll discuss this in a moment. This is the advisory. Nothing has changed. It's still a 40-mile-per-hour tropical storm. However, there is one bit of news that I want to share with you guys real quickly. Nicholas has been meandering or drifting northward near 2 miles per hour over the past couple of hours. That is an issue right there. That is an issue because it was supposed to be going at 14 miles per hour. It meandered at 2 miles per hour the next couple of hours. Short term, that doesn't really mean too much, but in the long run, that gives it more time over water, more time to organize, and more time to intensify. That's in the short term, it's not really doing too much. Well, in the short term, it is producing more thunderstorms, but in the long run, it'll have more time to intensify, more time to, more time over water, more time to organize. Yeah, a northwest motion is expected to continue at 12 miles per hour later tonight and early Monday. A northwest motion is forecast by late Monday or Monday night, and then it's going to turn potentially to the northeast after making landfall. So yeah, they're still at 40 miles per hour. Pressure's still at 1008, but it's been moving at 2 miles per hour. Now, a couple things can be going on. First one is that it could have relocated its center, which is when the storm center basically just dissipates and instantly forms somewhere else, which isn't really supported. Second theory is that it just is stalling right now and just taking that time, getting in that warm water, getting that favorable environment to just expand and grow and get stronger. That is not good news. It's not necessarily getting stronger yet, but its structure looks a lot better than it did. Like all this as now convection, all this convection is connected with each other. This dry air socket right here is starting to fill in right here. That's not a good sign. This continues, we could see a stronger storm than expected. But take the models with a grain of salt. One model is having it go up to Cat 1. Take it with a grain of salt. In fact, take everything that NHC says except for the track of it with a grain of salt. That's the update right there. So I'll be on the watch for this. When the models come back out, I'll let you know. Aircraft reconnaissance is still out there. Let's update it real quickly. They're finding some the pressure has been dropping slightly. They found maximum winds around 23 knots. They're still in the outer edges of the storm. As soon as Recon gets something, as soon as they get some more information, as soon as they're in the core of the storm, I'll let you know. Once the models come in, I'll let you know. Be sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates.